Respect is an interesting thing. It is rarely announced. People don't usually come up to you and say that I respect you. Maybe sometimes they do as well, but most of the times they reveal it through their behavior. I'm Captain Rutukumar Singh. I'm a former Indian Army officer. I'm a lawyer, an entrepreneur, and someone who has spent more than 2 decades of her life working with people from different walks of life. And one lesson that stayed with me throughout my journey is that respect is never demanded, it is always earned. Today, I'll share 7 subtle signs that people secretly respect you, even if they never say it loud. And somewhere in between, I'll also share a lesson from my army days that completely changed my understanding of leadership and respect. Stay tuned. So let's go to sign number 1. People listen to you without interrupting. It is very simple sign, right? People let you finish speaking. Well, in today's world, everyone wants to be heard. Very few people actually listens. And when someone puts their phone away, maintains eye contact, and allows you to complete your thoughts without interrupting, they're sending you a silent message. And that silent message is, what you have to say matters to me. Listening is one of the highest forms of respect, and if some people listen to you, they do respect you. Sign number 2, they ask for your opinion. Think about the last time when someone asked for your opinion. What do you think about this? This isn't just a question, it is trust. People don't usually seek advice from someone whose judgment they don't value, whether it is your colleague, a friend, or maybe any of your family member. When people genuinely ask your opinion, it's because they believe your perspective has value. It means that they respect you. Sign number 3, they remember the small things. Respect has an excellent memory. People who respect you remember the little things. They remember your goals and they will ask about it. They will also ask, how did your presentation go if you had a presentation? How is your mother doing? How is everything in life? Didn't you say you were planning to start something new? They will remember the small details. And these may seem like small gestures, but they tell you one important thing. You matter enough for them to remember. Sign number 4, respect is earned through action. So let me take you back to my army days. When I was commissioned as a young officer, before I joined the Judge Advocates General branch, that is a legal branch of the Indian Army, I had to first serve, in fact, all JAG officers have to first serve with an infantry unit and later with an engineering or any other unit. So those early days shaped me as a leader. I was a young woman, newly commissioned, wearing the uniform and the rank on my shoulders, but I quickly realized something. The uniform gave me an authority, but it did not automatically earn me respect. The soldiers were not impressed by the stars on my shoulders. They were quietly observing me. They watched whether I am the one reporting on time or not. They watched whether I ran alongside them during physical training, how I am performing in the sports activity. They watched whether I participated instead of merely giving instructions to all of them. They watched whether I took responsibility when situations became difficult. Every single day, I had to prove, not through my words, but through my actions, that I deserved their trust. And slowly, something changed. I noticed it in the way they looked at me, the way they spoke to me, the confidence with which they followed my instructions. Their respect wasn't given because of my rank, it was earned because of my consistency, my competence, and my character. Later, when I moved on into the Judge Advocates General branch, my role changed. I was serving at the high headquarters, advising the commanders on legal matters rather than leading troops in the same way. But that lesson never changed. Whether you are an army officer, whether you are a manager in corporate or any other field, whether you're a teacher teaching students, or even if you're a parent, people don't follow titles for long. They don't. Even your kids won't follow because you're just a parent, you're an elder. They follow people they trust. Sign number 5, they trust you with responsibility. One of the strongest indicators of respect is responsibility. People don't hand over important work to people they don't trust. If your boss gives you an important project, if your friends rely on you, if your family turns to you during difficult moments, take it as a compliment. Trust me. Responsibility is often respect in disguise because they believe in you. They feel that if responsibility is given to you, you will be able to complete it with full commitment. Now let's get to sign number 6. They can disagree without disrespecting you. Well, respect doesn't mean agreement. Some of the healthiest conversations I have had in the army, in the legal profession, and in my business have involved strong disagreements. But there was one difference. Nobody attacked the person, they challenged the idea. When someone respects you, they don't need to insult you to make their point. They can disagree without making you feel small. And that's a form of an ultimate respect. Sign number 7. They feel comfortable being themselves around you. This is perhaps the deepest sign of all. People begin to relax around you. They admit their mistakes, they ask for help, they don't pretend to know everything. And you know why? Because respect creates a safety. When people trust your character, they stop wearing a mask. And that's one of the greatest compliments anyone can give to you. So let me leave you all with one final thought. Most people spend their lives chasing attention, but attention is temporary. Respect lasts. Respect isn't built by speaking the loudest. It isn't built by showing off. It is built quietly, through competence, through integrity, through consistency, and the way you treat people when nobody is watching. If you recognized even 3 or 4 of these signs in your own life, chances are people respect you far more than you realize. And if you didn't, do not be discouraged because respect is something every one of us can earn by one action, one conversation, one decision at a time. If this video added value to your life, please do let me know in the comments below because I read all of the comments and they matter a lot to me. Which of these 7 signs have you experienced the most? I would genuinely love to hear your thoughts. And if you would like to learn more about confidence, communication, leadership, and emotional intelligence through real life lessons from my journey in the army and entrepreneurship and life, then subscribe to this channel called Speak with Power. I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind everyone. Namaste.